So the question here is asking, what is the time complexity of this linked list class function? And so our function we see here is remove tail. And so I drew this diagram here to kind of see what we were actually doing to remove tail. So we're starting at head here, right? And we're going to traverse through our list to get to the very end to remove this tail and point this arrow to null pointer, right? And kind of just going through those steps, it is quite obvious that the time complexity is O of n because, like I said before, we have to traverse from the start of our list to the very end of our list to get to our tail, right? Because this is a linked list, this is not an array, so we can't just do random access into that very last node of our linked list. So yeah, that's why the time complexity is O of n for remove tail function.